Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Dedicated Dentist, where we probe dentistry 32 reasons why. This video will discuss the Nuremberg Code. So after the World War II Holocaust, Nazis were still alive and were present, so then there were Nuremberg trials, that is justice through prosecution, in Nuremberg, Germany to decide the fate of Nazis. Since Nazi doctors conducted torturous human experimentation on camp prisoners, so Nuremberg Code of Ethics was created in aftermath of discovery of concentration camp experiments in August 1947 to ensure the rights of the subjects in medical research. Nuremberg Code is a set of research ethical principles for human experimentation set as a result of Nuremberg trials at the end of Second World War. This code gives conditions for ethical conduct of research involving human subjects, emphasizing voluntary consent to research. This code was in response to the inhumane Nazi human experimentation on prisoners during the World War II. The Nazi doctors they conducted heinous medical experiments on the prisoners of concentration camps without their consent, which resulted in death, trauma, and permanent disability. So, in the concentration camps, the Nazis they conducted various deadly medical experiments. Like there was this bone, muscle, and nerve transplantation experiment where they removed the sections of bone muscles from the subjects without even using anesthesia. They also did this experiments on twins. They amputated them, infected them with the diseases. They attempted conjoined twin surgery by sewing twins together, causing gangrene and death. There was this freezing experiment, altitude experiments. They were treated with various drugs to check its efficacy. They were subjected to electroshock therapy. And then there was this cold water immersion experiment where the prisoners were immersed in freezing waters to prevent and treat hypothermia, studying the physical effects of the cold exposure. And some were even thrown in boiling water. And there were many such deadly experiments carried out. That is why the Nuremberg Code of Ethics or was created in the doctor's trial or Nuremberg trial. There are 10 ethical principles. This is a frequently asked question. You must write little about the history, dates and events and then proceed with the answer. So the 10 codes are: voluntary human consent is essential. Experimental results should result in good for the society. The anticipated results or expected results should justify the experiment, that is, they must be based on previous animal experimentation. Avoid unnecessary physical and mental suffering of the human subjects. And no experiment should be conducted if there's chance of death or disability. There should be more benefit, the risk should exceed than the benefit, that is, minimize the risk of subjects. Adequate facilities should be present to protect the subjects. The experiment should be conducted only by qualified persons. The scientists should terminate the experiment if their results are known or with the best of their judgment when the death disability is likely to occur. So that was all about Nuremberg Code. I hope you liked the video.